So I've been noticing that in this area here, worms just love to leave their poop. Proper name for that is worm casting. So I've been collecting it in this cup and I'm actually gonna smash this up later. Did y'all see that? So for a while I thought these were ant piles just piling up, and I was getting worried because I was having an ant issue. But I realized that they were actually worm castings. So of course I'm going to be collecting these too. So here's what I have so far, and here's a closer look. And I'm low-key tempted to keep this separate from the other castings just in case y'all are like, that's not baby earthworm castings, that's something else. Like, I don't want to deal with that. Okay, we're just gonna see, just so I can feel better. Okay, yes, told y'all. Okay, this is worm castings. I believe this is earthworms. Oh, good. All right, it's worm castings. So definitely little small little babies. There's one here and there's one there. I'm gonna put these in my worm bin. All right, they're in the bin. I actually need to redo this bin. I'm going to soon. But I did put some watermelon chunks in there. So we'll see. I don't even... You know, I've read that there's a lot of great benefits about using worm castings for your plants. It's a great or an amazing natural fertilizer, very rich in nutrients for your plants. Never heard any bad things about it. So it's here, why not collect it, you know, right here in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead and collect as much as I can. All right, so at this point I'm actually done collecting, and I mean, this was annoying. These tiles are just, they're annoying. They're so tiny and annoying, and I'm done. I'm done. Now, even though collecting these tiny piles was annoying, I'm very, very grateful for them. And I'll be collecting more later, but right now I just can't. So what I am gonna try to do now is kind of strain some of that other plant matter and debris out of here. I need to put some gloves on. Sorry, I'm not touching the worm castings. I won't even touch a worm, let alone their poop. I'm not there yet. I'm not there yet in my journey. I don't even know why I did it this way. I feel like I just made things complicated for myself. But let's see. Oh no. You see how I got on my glove? You see that? That could have been my hand. So yeah, the rest of, like, there's just a little bit left, but I think this is, now it's more dirt than castings. But I mean, y'all can judge me all y'all want. I'm not touching it. I just told y'all I'm not there in my journey. I don't care how old I am. It's not for me right now. I'm just gonna pour this out. Get rid of that. Look at that. Now let's get to the smash. Whenever I see like videos or see somebody like you know, review packaging or whatever, just castings in general, it's like this very fine, just dirt-like thing. So I'm just gonna smash this. I should go ahead. I'll smash it up before I sift it. Okay, this is a little bit better. Still getting some, a little bit of grass in there, but that's okay. So I'm done. This is all the worm castings that I have, and I am just going to keep them in this jar. And that's it, honestly. Here are my worm, it was a little wet in there, but here are my worm castings. So I'm just gonna keep this jar of worm castings right here. I've had enough worm activity for the day. So once again, this is where the worms like to leave their castings, and I did pour some banana water right here in this area, hopefully to entice them to, you know, do their thing, leave some more castings again, but we'll see. Thank you all for watching. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe, and leave a comment.